And betterment is an aspiration, it's not the final destination. Betterment is not the destination, it's the aspiration that is driving you. See, we as human have a curiosity, right? An undying curiosity. We always think that things could have been better. Even if you ask the NDA that fought Bihar election, they would say things could have been better. We could have done better. है ना? So अगर आपको टेस्ट लिखने के बाद ये फीलिंग आता है that the test could have been better, that simply means that your own self want that you should do better, better, better. And betterment is an aspiration, it's not the final destination. Betterment is not the destination, it's the aspiration that is driving you. So the next time you have this feeling of deficiency, the deficit, it's the best feeling that you should all have. And that shall never die down. और हमेशा टेस्ट लिखने के बाद कभी अगर आपको ये लगे कि this was the best I could have written, consider you are not progressing. Right? That day you are not progressing because you have reached to the epitome that you have built yourself. That means that is the best, that is the peak and you have achieved it. You won't learn much. ठीक है? So the feeling of deficit shall always remain. And that is the basis of all the learning, all the knowledge base that this humanity have built. अगर किसी दिन हमें लगे कि ये हमारे पंडितों ने या फिर हमारे जो वेद के जो इंटरप्रेटर्स हैं उन्होंने बताया दैट दिस इज द ट्रुथ एंड वी स्टॉप एक्सप्लोरिंग द ट्रुथ, डू यू थिंक दैट हमें कभी ये पता लगता कि अर्थ इज बेसिकली फ्लोटिंग इन द स्पेस? वुड वी एवर नो? वी वुड हैव बिलीव्ड दैट इट इज प्लेस्ड ऑन द हेड ऑफ द शेषनाग. वही बिलीफ रहता है ना. तो बेसिकली जो शांति है ना, जो हम कहते हैं शांति जो खोज रहे हैं, वो नहीं होनी चाहिए आपके दिमाग में. आपका दिमाग हमेशा कंटेस्टेड ही रहना चाहिए. एज लॉन्ग एज यू आर कंटेस्टिंग, यू आर प्रोग्रेसिंग.